Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MJTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And not a whole lot of things to update here, but definitely confirmation of what I talked about in Friday's video, and that is the apparent formation of a channel pattern. Although with that being said, the bulls have now made things quite interesting after the final 30 minutes. Again, each one of these represents 30 minutes. So this candle here is the final 30 minutes of the day. And you can see that it's essentially right up here around that red line, which is the top of the channel that I talked about on Friday. Although I'm going to make one adjustment just because now that we have more data, and for simplicity's sake, in terms of numbers, I'm just going to make the top of the channel 0.011. Now, if you want to keep it back to where I had it, you know, that's I'm not going to argue. Support resistance levels are not exact specific prices. They're ranges. You know, they're kind of like little webs. You know, you got a price, and then there's areas right around there. And that's what I'm trying to accomplish here. Key point, sure, there's been some times where the price has gone up above the red line. But then there's also been times where the price hasn't quite hit the red line, but it's got, you know, within the vicinity of it. So I'm just trying to split the difference there and call the resistance at 0.011. So circling back to the comment about the bulls making it interesting, you can see during the final 30 minutes, the price came up here, you know, bumped its head on 0.011, but all day pretty much has been working its way upwards. And if I kind of draw this bootleg trend line like there, that's hopefully accomplishing that. You can see that the bulls are putting in higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and that's the name of the game. So is 0.011 guaranteed to break tomorrow? I'm not saying that. There's no such thing as a guarantee in the market. Would I be shocked if you see the bulls give, you know, 0.011 another attempt and try to get back above it? No, that would not be shocking at all. So a break of that would not shock me, but I can't sit here and say that it's guaranteed to break because, again, that would just be you know, not genuine because there are no guarantees in the market. So that's kind of the first confirmation point. Yeah, this is still a resistance level. This is the top of the channel. But on the flip side, the bottom of the channel down here at 0085 didn't even get close to being tested. And as it stands right now, or let me do this so my trend line's not so bootleg. The price was working its way upwards all day today, so we'll see. There's kind of like a little miniature wedge pattern here if the bulls have enough steam and momentum to break through 0.011 tomorrow, but we'll see what happens with it. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.